Hi, welcome to the Hillsview Active Living Center in Georgetown. My name is Matt. Today, as part of the food program provided by the LHIN, we're going to be looking at making a butternut squash soup with cheese tortellini. Okay, so what you're going to need for this is you're going to need 1 medium onion, roughly chopped, a tablespoon of butter, about 3 carrots chopped, a package of butternut squash, you can get this in the frozen food aisle, a package of cheese tortellini, 3 cloves of garlic diced up, some nutmeg, cinnamon, and salt, and about 3 cups of chicken stock. First things first is we're going to melt the butter in our pot, so we're going to just add that in. Once your butter's melted, we're going to add the onions. Okay, once your onions are translucent, we're going to add the carrots and the squash. And cook on medium to high heat for about 5 minutes. So next we're going to add our garlic. If you have fresh garlic, that's great, but you can also use dried or granular. Next we're going to add our chicken stock and our mixture of cinnamon and nutmeg. We're going to bring that to a boil and then let simmer for about 30 minutes. Once you're at a boil, you're going to reduce the heat to a medium-low and let that simmer for about 30 minutes. Okay, so next we're going to puree it until smooth. Once it's smooth, you're going to add your tortellini and your half and half cream. Mix it all together. And cook until the tortellini is soft. Add salt to taste. And we're ready to serve. Enjoy.